Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Dodge Viper versus the Kawasaki H2R. We'll dive into what makes each of these machines legendary, from their incredible power outputs to their distinct design philosophies. Get ready to explore the raw performance of the Viper and the blistering speed of the H2R. This comparison will highlight their unique strengths and help you understand which one might be better suited for different types of adrenaline seekers. When it comes to sheer power, both machines are exceptional. The Dodge Viper, with its enormous V10 engine, delivers 645 horsepower, offering incredible torque. The Kawasaki H2R, a supercharged motorcycle, produces 310 horsepower, but its lighter weight gives it an astonishing power-to-weight ratio. The H2R can achieve speeds over 240 miles per hour, while the Viper hits 60 miles per hour in under 3.5 seconds. Beyond raw numbers, the design and experience differ greatly. The Viper embodies classic American muscle, with a long hood and a wide stance, designed for thrilling road drives. Its interior is driver-focused, offering a direct connection to the road. The H2R, however, is a track-only marvel, featuring advanced aerodynamics and a lightweight chassis. Its design is purely functional, built for extreme speed and precision on a closed course, providing an unparalleled riding sensation. So, which is better? It truly depends on your definition of better and your intended use. If you seek a powerful, road-legal machine for exhilarating drives and occasional track days, the Dodge Viper is an incredible choice. However, if you're a dedicated track enthusiast looking for the absolute pinnacle of motorcycle speed and performance on a closed circuit, the Kawasaki H2R stands alone. Both are engineering masterpieces, offering distinct, unforgettable experiences.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.